Welcome to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe, comment below. First of all, I want to say thank you to everyone that reaches out to me, whether it's a personal question, business question. Thank you so much. The channel has grown over the past couple years to what it is today, and I want to get it to 1 million views this year. Let's get it, baby. So, how to make $1,000 per day in a lawn mowing business. First of all, you have to start out small, which everyone does. Even I did when I was mowing lawns. I think the average price now, depending on how big a lawn is between $35 and $50. It used to be between $15 and $25, but times have changed. So when you start out small, like a teenager might start out in his own community, and that's how you save time as well when you're making so much money, at least $500 a day when you start out, because you're charging so much. You have to have gas and the manpower, So if you have a team of 2 people, you can easily make $500 or more per day. But just think about it: if you had a team of 4 people, you had your own little business, franchise, or whatever. The bigger the number of more employees you have, the more money you can make per day mowing lawns, especially if you do more than just the neighborhood lawns. Let's say you start out early with these corporations or business center lawns, which a lot of them are not really big. They're mid-size, but you still need like a riding mower or a team of 2 other people that blowing the leaves or the excess grass. Or say for instance, a lot of these companies are starting to mulch now, so you save a lot of money on that part as well. But let's just jump into it. The earlier you start, and it depends on the community as well. A lot of people don't want to hear that noise early in the morning, so you have to get an agreement with that. If it's HOA or it's just private area, you should be good. But HOA, a lot of the times, they don't want you to start really, really early. They don't want to hear that noise. But the early bird always catches the worm, guys. Let's see. Pricing for profit. You don't want to get too overpriced, because then a lot of people don't want to pay you. So not all types of mowing are profitable. It depends on your mower, the healthier the grass, things like that. Whether you mow in the rain. Some people I've seen mow in the rain, not too excessively wet, but if it's just a mild rain, you can still mow in the rain, depending on your mower as well. I don't know if you want to be out there pushing a mower in the rain. I'm just talking about if you're on a riding mower. It depends on, if you go get it, you're a go getter, you know. So have a strict payment policy system. Make sure you get paid, man. A lot of times, if you work in just monetary system, sometimes they don't want to pay you. That's just how it is. But make sure you get paid up front, especially if you're established. So mow early in the height of the season. The earlier, the better. Just like the early bird gets the worm, the earlier the better. Run your equipment. Make sure you take care of your equipment, man. Just don't throw it in the back of the truck or the trailer and expect it to keep running. It's a machine. So run it like the NASCAR pit, baby. Let's get it. Walk fast all day. The faster, because you only have so much daylight time. You only have so much daylight in a day. So do not run extra staff in your own vehicle unless you have a major team you can trust. Always own good quality and well-maintained equipment. Your equipment is your money maker. Make sure it's greased up, oiled up. You have plenty of gasoline in there to run it. Some people are running electric lawnmowers now, electric blowers. That might save you a lot of money in the long run. It just depends on how you're set up. They have now F4 150s with the outlet in the back of the truck, so you can just plug it to the outlet. If you have electric push more or electric blower, you can run that till it depends on how big your projects is. But if you have a team of at least 4 people, you can make $1,000 per day. Because if you're getting 15, you can get more than 15 lawns per day, the bigger your team is. Now, if you're just starting out by yourself, you could probably do about 12 lawns, depending on your drive time and how big the area you're mowing lawns in. So to think about that, you have to justify the means in your time. Wear good protective footwear. Make sure your safety is first. Pre-plan for the next day. Claim your patrol tax. You have to think about taxes as well. Have a backup plan when things go wrong. Always plan. And last but not least, you could think about buying a franchise. If some people work better with franchises because they have everything in place to help you as far as customers. They already got the customers set up. So think about that, or you want to get out there and grind yourself and start from scratch. So, you guys, what do you think about this? Are you already making money in the lawn care business? And I knew some companies long time ago not only mowed the lawn, but they offer landscape business this services as well. So that's a different set of a niche business money making within the lawn care service that you can offer. A lot of people are going for that as well. They want their lawns to be number one. They want to get a trophy for the best looking lawn. So if depend on how big you are, because we got to deal with the winter time as well. You know, this company traveled to, like, say, Vegas or California when it got cold because they lived in Chicago. Think about that, guys. You can make 200,000, 300,000 or more per year if you do that. If this your full time service business, think about that. Comment below. See you guys next time on Financial Pro.